everyone, I am going to show you how to do some very easy curls on your hair. The first thing you want to do is use a serum and make sure and evenly distribute it throughout your ends. Mostly if you put it onto your roots is going to get too greasy, so try putting them on your ends first, like this. So I'm just using a little and just this. Right, starting from the back. I'm just going to wrap my hair around my curling iron like this. Take your time, just hold it for a couple seconds and then you can release it. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So just continue making 1-inch patterns all the way up. Be careful, you get burnt. So easy to actually get burnt. And you'll notice that I'm actually wrapping the hair away from my face. So when I wrap, I'm wrapping my hair that way, back and away from my face. So let me show you what I mean. I like holding it down, so the tip of my iron should be pointing down towards the floor, and I just put it at the back of my strand. So this would be the front. I am actually placing my curling iron to the back of my strand or my little section, and then I'm going to wrap it around the back of the curling iron and just keep twirling it like this. Super easy. Hold it for a couple seconds, then you can release. So that again, place your curling iron to the back of your section and just keep wrapping it around your curling iron. Just hold it for a couple seconds, then release. So you're going to do the same with this side. Just take your time. I don't want you to get burnt. Okay, so point your curling iron down. Place it at the back of your strand or your section and just keep wrapping that hair around your curling iron or your wand. Hold it into place for a couple seconds, then you can release it. Once you're going close to your ear, just be careful, don't get burned, please. Okay, so I'm going to just continue to curl my hair and I'm going to be right back. So all I'm doing here, guys, is just shaking my curls out, and this will loosen up my curls a little bit and give me a little volume. So you can see how you can see all the volume here already. So just take your time. Get your fingers inside and just give it a little shake. You could even gently just pull some of the curls out, and if they get out of place, you can just twist them around your finger like this. There we have it, guys. Look how nice and full my hair looks. I love it. So that was just a quick and easy way to get some volume and some really nice curls on your hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget that you all can find me on Instagram and on Facebook as well. Bye!